The SUAS competition has the drone go over 5 different target landing zones and drop the water bottles on the specific designated target. We have a 3 canister, meaning we're going to have to do 2 rotations, but the drone parks over it and it just pops open the canister and then just falls down.
This year I've been heavily involved with making the leg mounts for the drone, and we kind of wanted to make something similar to like car suspension, so we wanted to have like a shock that absorbed the impact whenever the drone landed. We kind of just started by looking at how, I guess, car suspension works and looking at how there was springs in that, and we wanted to incorporate a shock or a spring on our design.
We're working on making a vision data set in Unreal Engine for Vision to test their code and train a computer vision model with. The vision data set is to make sure it works before competition.
Our big project this semester has been the state machine. What the state machine basically does is splits up the competition into 6 different phases and then runs the corresponding code for each of those stages. Since there's a lot of different transitions we might need to do, like we might need to go from waypoint to the airdrop, but after airdrop go back to waypoint, we've just been hard at work implementing all that into the code. Getting to see the drone actually run our code that we've been working on for a year is a really fulfilling thing to see, I guess.